Was a man who was tall and handsome, the best shot in the land, not to mention good at dancing. A hit with the ladies, a heartthrob with the daughters, cool with the guys, a regular